Hi. Today, I want to walk you through a complete end-to-end media workflow using the Grok APIs. A lot of people use Grok for basic text chat on the web, and that's awesome. But I want to show you what happens when you also plug in your API keys directly into a local desktop client called TensorPilot. Let's start with the vision and image generation. I have this cinematic samurai image, and I'm going to generate it through a custom media intelligence workflow. Notice how the AI completely breaks down the subject, the lighting, and the environment, and then automatically engineers three distinct high quality prompts for us to use. We can take one of these prompts, drop it into the media studio, and generate a brand new high resolution variation. But we don't have to stop at the static images because we are using direct API access. We can seamlessly push this image into a video generation model, use the selected image, and then adjust your motion settings and let it render, right? Take the note on the model we are using here, over here, right? This multi-model approach is incredibly efficient for content creation. For example, we can switch over to Grok 3 Mini Fast to brainstorm a script or biography about Elon Musk. Once we have our concept ready, we can jump right back into the media studio to generate a highly clickable YouTube thumbnail and then animate it to a cinematic trailer. All of this is happening in one fluid workspace without having to jump between different web browsers or deal with restrictive rate limits or even buy expensive credits, right? Because over here you are paying the raw API cost for generating images or YouTube, right? We are not, TensorPilot does not proxy or request. You use your own API keys to send a direct request to the provider, right? From your laptop. So it's a desktop client. If you want to try this exact workflow, TensorPilot is free to download for Mac, Windows, and Linux. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please think about giving us a like and subscribe. It will really boost this video. And thank you very much for watching.